Hey, let me be real with you for a second. You know that click in your brain when something finally feels right. The moment you power on the O11 Vision and that display springs to life, you feel that. This is the O11 Vision. This is for the kind of person who has outgrown compromise. UV felt the sting of frame drops in a decisive moment. UV watched render progress creep when it should be fast. UV noticed texture pop in, load lags, and moments where your hardware just isn't there. You don't settle for good enough anymore. Once UV felt what full throttle performance really is, anything less feels like a concession. Before you go another second, check the current price and availability. Desktops like this with top-tier parts don't hang around quietly waiting usually means higher cost or worse stock later. You know the moment you decided it was time. Maybe your old rig stuttered in the middle of a fight. Maybe your workflow stalled while you waited for assets to load. Maybe every task felt like a negotiation between you and your hardware. That's when the frustration settles in, not with a bang, but with countless tiny annoyances. This is the upgrade that actually eliminates that. From the first session, something just feels smooth. Games don't hesitate, they respond. The RX 9070XT XT just delivers visuals, it delivers confidence. The 9800X3D pushes deadlines without mercy. Launch anything, stack anything, and the machine doesn't flinch. You stop lowering settings. You stop closing background apps. You just do. What hits you most is not raw power, it's stability. That neurological shift from "I hope this runs smoothly" to "it will" is massive. Action sequences feel controlled, VRAM feels abundant, and the SSD doesn't breathe hard, it sprints. Creative workloads stop dragging and start flowing. You don't just see performance numbers, you feel responsiveness between your fingertips and output. If you're rethinking of waiting, consider this. Pricing and stock on high-end desktops are unpredictable. Hesitation usually means either paying more or missing out entirely. Some people worry 9070XT class power is overkill. That notion evaporates the first time you load a massive open world and watch it stay smooth. Overkill isn't the word, it is headroom. Headroom that saves you time, stress, and why is this lighting moments. Owning something like this changes the way you approach every session. Your setup feels intentional, like you matched yourself with a machine that doesn't talk back. Graphics feel sharp and fluid. Loads feel instant and decisive. Multitasking feels effortless and natural. Creative work feels fast and satisfying. Your daily computing finally feels earned. It is not designed to be subtle. And once you've felt this power, less feels frustrating. At a certain point you stop comparing benchmarks and watch lists. You already know what experience you want. You've felt the gap with lesser gear. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you think about for weeks and quietly regret delaying. If you're ready to stop managing limitations and start enjoying where performance meets reliability, check the current price and availability now and make the move while it still feels like the smart play.